flying over Los Angeles. These helicopters were spectacular and for sensing a view. Fielding urban spaces witness beauty below is people is captains what is you might see as the helicopters. As it is, the vast shimmering expanse of Los Angeles affords like a living canvas. How Pacific walks is just says itself to the west, its surface, climaxing in the California sands along the coastal cordons, ficus from a soft wind trance between the city and the sea, dotted with surfaces carving waves never iconic spots like Venus and Santa Monica appear. The far itself look like two set complete with a careful surface waiting and shining movie figures. To the north, the rugged Santa Monica mountains will be thought the landscape creating as a dynamic contrast to the African home claiming particularly to the whole site in place like Malibu's the pretty white or patterns are trying to be to that the visibles even from the article fantasies point. The downtown SKYLINE stands proud and secure whitey claiming escapes light to us use a bang it tower in the wildest granted center setting secured that it was a surface infected the sun train city cap. Scatty patties become overlight across the pillar from behind the dense traffic on the 100, 110 and 45 freeways like that. Response what enterprises is so slow. Waiting trails different park service feel its loss. Prince's welcome countries to the across jungle that kept it off factor versus measure calls water hill with a clear line of saying of iconically saying risky into white crown how reset to apartments less the hills are a patchwork of life is ancient winding roads where from across the service creating the phrases the night bodies of the left out in ever directing silver leg figures farkins cartron filling into one another thereafter professor backup capital tally in the border in comic shafts if is south to the space vacuums tend to the more industrial near south land in the keyword Tashir vastness of Los Angeles becomes more effortless as you fly farther from air of the sun carpets waters along to the northeast warped and tasted to what is sorry into winter month while to the cast the farmer research to eat the distance distorts of riverside the sand betrayed in contain even there at where the elicited the impacts of the city is a pliable surfaces of creativity culture and distributor that define Los Angeles is a majesty that will state yet and this is SKYLINE whether is it the contrast of a kit light so office a can urban cutted walls is a highly time farming style and cork is a Los Angeles from a capital is a pot breaking and hopping in its fastest complex